feel the heat.
I'm gonna knock that dish down, man.
Yeah, good idea.
What's that?
Good idea, huh?
All right, guys. Hey.
Yeah.
Again, very nice meeting you,
Nice
man.
meeting you too, Mike.
Guys, have a good one. Take care.
Yeah, be safe. Look at that, huh? This is part of a backfire that the fire department's now doing. We gotta get out of here. It's gonna come all the way right to this area. Why didn't firefighters tell everyone here to move before they started this backfire? Wait for the satellite dish to come down. Well, this is just great now, isn't it? Woo, that's hot. Here, take the camera off. I think this is gonna go through us. Oh, jeez.
Hey, get the tripod.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Stay in the back.
Yeah. That was closer than we thought we were gonna get.
Just on the back seat. Back seat.
Back seat.
Watch out, watch out. We're gonna climb through your side.
All right, go.
Is everything down?
Yeah, it's down.
Just
It's
close
down.
the door. Close that door.
It's down.
That hood, the thing.
The hood? Okay, got it. Well, this is fun. What do you think? Look at the flames right there.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to show this one to my wife.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I figured this was going to happen,
We'll
but we
start
got
recording too.
the road.
Oh,
Don't
that
breathe
was
in.
bad.
Yeah. Oh, look, a little bunny just ran out. Oh, don't go forward, man. These flames are even stronger right here.
Oh, this guy's saying go forward.
Whoa! Whoa!
Ow, that hurts. That sucks.
Imagine if we showed that live on air, huh? Jeez.
All right, you can just step out and get some shot. Do we need any?
I don't know. Let's just step out and make sure we got everything here.
All right, gonna get down. Get some more.